Let me give an example. P equal to P0 versus P is not equal to P0. And we have a Bernoulli random sample. And we will see two tests, word test and score test. Word test is, so it's going to be the form of Sn, where Sn is estimator of the standard deviation of x bar. So standard deviation of x bar is the p times the null, this is p0 times 1 minus p0 divided by n, and the square root, take a square root of that. So the Sn is the estimator, so it's gonna be x bar times 1 minus x bar divided by n. So the word test would be x bar minus p0 divided by square root of x bar times 1 minus x bar divided by n, and then that absolute value of that is greater or equal to z or alpha divided by 2. Because we use, it is a two-sided test, we take absolute value and then on the statistic, and then we use the critical value as a z of alpha divided by 2, where the z alpha divided by 2 is the 100 times 1 minus alpha by 2 percentile. Score test is so we need to find SP, which is the sum of the first derivative log of fx I, and you can easily see that the log of xi given p is equal to xi log p plus 1 minus xi log of 1 minus pi, or 1 minus p derivative of the, where you can see that xi given p is equal to p sub xi times 1 minus p power 1 minus xi. The first derivative is given like this. So the SP sum of xi divided by p minus n minus sum of xi divided by 1 minus p. Then for information number for entire sample, we have which is same as this is the original definition that we, on the regulated condition, we have minus expectation of the second derivative of log likelihood. Then we have the second derivative of the log likelihood is the minus xi sum of, there should be sum here. Sum of the minus xi divided by p square minus 1 minus xi divided by 1 minus p square. So this is the same expectation of p of the x divided by p squared plus 1 minus x 1 minus p entire square, because they are the IID. So the expectation of xi and sum of that is the same as n times expectation of the x, where the x follows the Bernoulli distribution. This is the, by calculation you have n divided by p times 1 minus p. then here S. So P0 is sum of xi divided by P0, and then minus sum of xi by 1 minus P0, in P0 is n divided by P0, 1 minus P0 score test statistic is the P0 equal to n by P0 P0 divided by square root n divided by P0 times 1 minus P0, which is the information number for entire sample. This n times x bar minus P0 divided by n times x bar minus P0 divided by P0 times 1 minus P0 times square root n divided by P0 times 1 minus P0. So S P0 is, if you unite these two terms, and you can get n times x bar minus P0 divided by P0 times 1 minus P0, and then you have denominator already square root n divided by P0 minus 1 minus P0. This is x bar minus P0 divided by square root of P0 times 1 minus P0 divided by n. So here, score test is reject H0 if and only if the absolute value of the x bar minus P0 divided by P0 times 1 minus P0 divided by n is greater or equal to C alpha divided by 2. So here, the real difference of the score test and the word test is for word test, for denominator, it uses the estimated value. So you use an x bar. For the score test, it uses the true value, which is the P0. And then this score test, word test, and likelihood ratio test, they are widely used not only in this one parameter case, but also multi-parameter case. And then for generalized linear models, logistic regression, Poisson regression. I mean, for testing the estimator of the regression coefficient, the beta, and then the standardized statistical software gives the word test and score test and likelihood ratio test. So these three tests are very important in the practice. Okay, let me stop at here then, and I will see you in the next class.